Discover fun and engaging STEM learning with ROBO X1. Build your bot in just a few simple steps and start exploring a world of engineering, coding, and creative design. Learn to code without a computer. Simply program your robot with onboard push-button commands. Instruct your bot to navigate obstacle courses, complex mazes, and much more. For more advanced users, apply math skills as you measure distances, perform calculations, and convert results into programming commands. Create and invent as you customize ROBO X1 with Lego building blocks and more. Even learn about electronic circuits and components. Discover what a capacitor is, explore resistors, switches, LED lights, and much more. ROBO X1 is for everyone, from young engineers to more advanced users. ROBO X1 provides fun opportunities for learning and creative expression. Discover, learn, and create with ROBO X1 by Blue Brain Robotics.